Hi, today I'm going to make these bamboo leaves which are very easy to make and which will add great green color for foliage in your floral decoration. Materials required are green colored crepe paper, a thin wire, a thick wire for stem and green floral tape. Measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the leaf. It is 14.5 centimeter by 2.5. The bamboo leaves can be smaller than this and bigger than this, much bigger than this, but I am sticking to this size. Now take a thin wire. So this is about 12 centimeters long. Take the green tape. And then just cut it in the center. Stretch this part and I'll wind it on this wire. Like so. Now take the leaf and just score straight lines on it, parallel straight lines along the length of the leaf. Like this. Now just apply glue on the back. And stick this wire on it. Like so. Now these are all the leaves that I've made. You can add more. So I'll just take some green tape, long piece. Stretch. Start covering the wire. Now this portion actually shows the leaf, if there's any, which is opening, or you can just avoid this and stick the leaf like this. So whichever way you want. And start binding the leaf on it. Just leave about half a centimeter to 1 centimeter pedicel of the leaf. Now I've already made another stem. If you wish, you can attach it here, or you can just let it be. So that's entirely up to you how you want to make the leaf stem. Basically the leaves are attached to the bamboo on each of the nodes. So now I'll just open these leaves out. And this is how the bamboo leaves would look.